make chocolate hazelnut overnight oats, except we don't have hazelnut, so we're doing peanut butter overnight oats. So here we go. We have
3/4 cup.
Okay, 3/4 cup. And you're just gonna place it in a jar.
Tablespoon.
And these are steel cut oats, so a little bit different maybe from just the regular oats. Okay.
A tablespoon of maple syrup.
Tablespoon of maple syrup. Don't mind if I do. Yum.
Okay. Half a tablespoon of cocoa powder.
Okay. Half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. This will be interesting because now I've got maple syrup in here. Let me just dry this guy. Okay.
Okay. A tablespoon of butter, whatever, hazelnut, peanut.
Okay, so we're gonna use peanut butter. And I'm literally at the end of my peanut butter, so this looks like it works out perfectly. And if you have hazelnut butter, I just didn't have it. Okay.
And then 3/4 cup of milk. Any kind of milk.
Okay, so we're gonna use 2%.
Almonds always good in this too.
Yeah, 3/4.
And you just mix it up.
So do I shake it or do I mix it?
Mix it.
Okay. It looks like chocolate milk. Okay.
And then you just put it in the fridge overnight, and when you wake up in the morning, you have breakfast.
Okay, and you can splash it with a little more milk, some fruit, other toppings that you like. Looks like a pretty easy breakfast, so enjoy.